Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing Friday Pro EA, an expert advisor developed by Ming Ying Lee based on the information provided on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This EA is available for both MT4 and MT5, with the MT4 version linked separately by the developer. Starting here on the Marketplace page, we can see that Friday Pro is currently priced at $399 US. The current version listed is version 2.2, and the purchase includes 5 activations. The developer positions this EA as a trading solution designed specifically to take advantage of weekend market opportunities while following a different approach from systems that rely on grid or martingale techniques. As I scroll through the description, one of the key themes is simplicity. The developer describes Friday Pro as a set and forget style expert advisor, allowing traders to configure their preferred settings and let the system manage the execution process. According to the Marketplace page, the strategy is designed around weekend trading and is intended to operate once per week per currency pair. All right. Now, looking at the features section, the developer specifically states that Friday Pro does not use grid systems, martingale techniques, or what they describe as reckless trading methods. Instead, the focus is on disciplined trade management and structured execution. The page also highlights several risk and trade management tools. These include trailing stops, break-even functionality, equity protection designed for prop firm compatibility, a spread filter, and a maximum open trade setting, which the developer notes is currently available on the MT5 version. In terms of position sizing, traders have the flexibility to choose between fixed lot sizing and dynamic sizing based on a percentage of account balance. This allows the EA to be adapted to different account sizes and risk preferences. The recommended installation time frame provided by the developer is M1, or the 1-minute chart. The page also mentions that the EA places only one trade per week per pair, which is an important operational detail for anyone evaluating how the system fits into their overall trading approach. So moving into the backtesting and analysis section, the marketplace information provided here gives us some important detail here, some reports. We can see that this image showing here shows us GBP, JPY, and USD JPY combined backtest portfolio 10,000 to 23 million in 2.5 years. And let's just also look at these backtested results. USD JPY 2.5 year backtest 10K to 14.8 million, 131 trades, about 77.1% profitability out of those 131 trades. All right. Nonetheless, it is important to avoid making assumptions about historical performance. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's just head over to our strategy tester as well. Let's see how the Friday Pro EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame in 2026. All right, over the past 5 months. So we're testing from the beginning of 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server and using the every tick modeling. Looking at the results, I can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was negative 20.31. Total trades taken were 23. Short trades, none. All 23 were long trades. And out of those 23, only 6 were profitable. That gives us a 26.09% profitability. Largest profit was just $16.06. Largest loss $6.06. Average profit $13.65. Average loss $6.01. So the average risk to reward ratio is actually good, but the win rate is very poor. So it's not surprising to see a little negative total net profit. What we can observe from the strategy description is that the EA is designed around a low frequency approach, with trading activity centered on weekend market opportunities rather than frequent market participation. So the inclusion of features such as trailing stops, break-even controls, spread filtering, and equity protection suggests that trade management plays an important role within the overall framework. And as always, any historical testing performance should be viewed strictly as historical analysis rather than an indication of future results. All right, actual performance can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, account settings, risk configuration, market conditions, and user optimization. Overall, Friday Pro EA presents itself as a structured weekend trading solution for both MT4 and MT5 traders. The focus on controlled trade frequency, flexible position sizing, and built-in risk management tools may appeal to traders looking for a more disciplined, automated approach. But as with any expert advisor, I would strongly recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. From the chart history that we can see here, the EA seems to be the type to take just one trade at a time, obviously, and the EA can actually hold those trades for several days, because you can see that each candle here represents 1 hour, because this is a 1 hour time frame, and we can see that the EA can actually hold the trades for quite a while, a large number of candles. So in some cases it might just be a few days. In some cases it could be within a day, right? And you can see that some cases could be actually more than a few days. Okay, so if you found any value at all in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content that will benefit you. And don't forget to share the video with other trader friends who you think will find value in it. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.